Hello everybody, welcome back to another video after a 5-month hiatus. Hope you're all doing well and social distancing, and we're living in some scary times right now, so I don't want to talk too much about what's going on in the world, just because I know that a lot of people like me like to go to YouTube to watch things that get your mind off of stuff. So I have been wanting to buy a Boxy Charm or like a subscription kit for a while, and I've been watching Alexandria Ryan, and she's just, she made me do it. So if you want to see a better unboxer, go check her out. I got my box here. This is the standard or the base pack. My FedEx driver, he literally just threw it over the fence. I don't know if, okay, so I did take a little peek. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not good at this, okay? Stop, don't come for me. Okay, so I have the box here. What does it say? Hello, Charmer. Ooh, okay. And just so you guys know, this is the March box. I'm guessing. I did sign up late at the 30th of March. It was an impulse thing, and I was watching Alexandria Ryan, like I said, and I was like, man, I really want to do that. That is so fun. I could use some makeup and stuff like that. And so it was definitely an impulse buy. I don't know if I'm gonna keep getting it, especially just taking a glance at what they sent me. I took the little test that they want you to take when you are signing up, and it just seems to me like I said I didn't want any skincare items because I'm an esthetician in training and I already have that kind of locked. So let's dive in. First item is this Elemis Superfood Cleanser, and this I don't know if I'll use. It's a micellar cleanser, Cica Calm Cleansing Foam. I don't personally like cleansing foams. I don't know, I've used cleansing foams in the past and my skin does not like them. I don't know, I might test this out just to see what it's all about, but I am in love with my Image products. If you don't know what they are, I'll leave a link down below. They're amazing. And then we have the Professional from Benefit. I have definitely used this. I don't use this anymore because I was using it in excess and it was not working on my nose. I haven't used it in about, I want to say, a year. Did its job. I just don't really use primers anymore, to be honest. I don't wear a ton of foundation. I'm wearing foundation today, obviously, but I'm still technically in school, so I needed to do a project, and since I'm an esthetician, I did my makeup for a point. I'll try it again. It's always good to have primers in your kit or just with you in general, so I could use it again, but these will clog your pores. Stuff like this will clog your pores. They have dimethicone in them. I can't say it, but they do have ingredients in here that is going to clog your pores, and that's what causes pimples, eruptions, acne, clogged pores. And when you don't follow up with using something like this with an exfoliator, it will lead to bad skin and skin buildup and whatnot. So you want to be careful when you're using products like these because you don't want to mess up your skin. The next product is going to be Iconic London Illuminator, and this is in the original shade. I opened it and it looks like the dropper might be a little, here, I don't know how to do this, but I don't know if it's supposed to look like that, guys. I mean, that doesn't, it's not straight. It's not. It's very much to the side. So it's really pretty. I swatched it on the back of my hand. This is what it looks like. It's very oily. It's incredibly oily, and it doesn't look good with the hair on my hand. So the next thing we have is Illuminati Gel Paint. And it looks like it comes with the electric pink and electric blue. They just kind of look like eyeliner to me, which I'm assuming that's what these are. You could probably use these elsewhere, but it's like a weird, the whole thing feels plastic. It doesn't feel as though you would, oh wait. Oh, it's just this is scary. Did I just break it? Oh goodness. I'm gonna close that real quick. And then this is the pink one. Da da da. They are very cute. In my survey, again, I think I put that I liked colors, so that matches up. These are very colorful. I just don't know, when I put colorful, like you kind of mean like a colorful palette, colorful shades, but you are getting a subscription box that's like a mystery box. So something I'm realizing as well is that I was watching other YouTubers unboxing of Boxy Charm, and a lot of YouTubers, like big YouTubers who do subscription boxes like these, they get they get both. They get the standard and the luxe one, which is, I believe, $50. I'm not sure. But it's a little bit more expensive than this box, which is $25. I just feel like everyone from March got better stuff. Like there was a palette, could either get the palette or something else, and something else was like a pharmacy cleanser, and then the palette was a Boxy Charm palette. I don't know if that's for the luxe people or if it's for the standard as well. The way other YouTubers are making it seemed like those two things were in the standard box, and then like you for sure got the palette if it was in the luxe one. This is my first go around with Boxy Charm. I don't know if that's 100% accurate or not. So I just feel like this box, I ordered it at March 31st or 30th. So I feel like they should have waited to give me an April box instead of a March box. And my April box, I think, is coming next week. So I don't know after that one if I'm gonna get another one, just because it seems kind of like I got the slim pickings. Like if this was just because I signed up late and they're like, oh, we have to send her a box, then they just threw whatever they had in there, then that kind of makes sense, but it should have been a reduced price because I just don't feel like this is worth it. And then the last item is these lavish brushes. I mean, they're cute and they're definitely great for traveling because they come in like this little case. Again, they're really colorful, they're super cute. They don't feel pokey like this one kind of does. They're cute, and I definitely need more brushes. I feel like you can never have too many brushes. Definitely use the pencils and these guys when I want to do something a little like, you know, you could do the trend where it's just like the liner, the electric liner. I'll give this a try, but again, I'm sold on products already, and like it feels nice though. I guess I want to smell it. Just do a little tiny bit. It smells kind of not pepperminty, but like, does that make sense? Like strong. It's very perfumey. So if you're sensitive to perfume or fragrances, this might not be for you, which is kind of weird because it says it was like all natural and everything. To me, I don't really like the smell, but if you're a fan of, it's not eucalyptus, but it's like, let's see, does it say in the ingredients? No, there's no ingredients on this. That's kind of weird that they do that. Is there, because what if I'm allergic to something, you know? I guess I would just look it up online, but that kind of sucks. Overall, I'm not in love, to be honest, with this box. There's probably, technically 2 things, but 3 things that I would ideally use. Fit Professional Primer is $32. It is the full size product. And the Elemis Superfood Cica Calm Cleansing Foam is $32 as well. Okay, and then the Iconic London Illuminator, the oily stuff, was $41. That's the market sale price. That's kind of high. Let's see what it says because it doesn't say anything on the bottle. This concentrated liquid shimmer can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply used on its own for a super highlighted glow. Every drop of the super concentrated shimmer elixir glides on smoothly to bestow an ultra blendable glow. Okay, so that sounds like it's more of a primer. It is oil-based though, or at least it very much feels oil-based. So if you are more oily, don't use it because you're just gonna look like a grease show. I'll try it out because that sounds kind of like a Becca low light filter. I think that's what it's called. The primer, the other face primer that's from Becca. The Lavish 5-piece neon brush collection, which was this guy, is $29. That seems like a lot. I feel like this is something you could probably get at Forever 21 in like those impulse buckets right by the register, or like in those, you know, like in their makeup section where it's chaotic. I mean, everywhere in Forever 21 is chaotic, but like, you know what I'm talking about? I feel like this is worth like maybe $15 at most, but $30, $29.99. That just seems like a lot. They're cute, but they're tiny. Like, they're tiny. My hair. Illuminati Cosmetics Gel Paint Duo in Electric Blue and Pink. Alright. Okay. 2 of these is $42. That's $21 a pen, the paint thing. That seems like a lot, right? Am I just being, I don't know. Let's test them out on my already. It glides on really nicely. But, I mean, $42, that's a little steep, don't you think? I think so. Okay, let me add all this up. So we got those 2. So in total, this box is supposed to be retailed at $177. Do I think that's fair? Not really. I don't think that, I mean, obviously, like, this is, I mean, this is the only product that I know, right? And this product I've used before and it's good, but then I have like issues with it. I've never heard of this product before, Elemis. I've heard of Iconic London. I don't, like, it's oil based, so I don't really like it. And these things, these are the things that I probably would get most use out of, but I feel like these are the cheapest things in the box. So I don't really think that it is $177 worth. Obviously, I only paid $25. Am I super mad about it? No, I'm not. But it's a little irritating that I get products like, it just feels like it's slim pickings, you know, like the end of a party and they're like, oh, we don't have any more party favors. What are we gonna do? Oh, just give them this lamp. I don't know. But just like stuff like that, it kind of feels like I got a different box than everybody else in March, which, again, I signed up March 31st. If they would have said, like, on their website that if you order the last day of the month or, like, after they ship it out, all of the other boxes, that you would get a different box, I probably would have waited until April and waited to get my April box, but instead they charged me for March and then they are going to charge me again for April, even though I got a box in April and now I'm gonna get one in April again. It just doesn't make a ton of sense to me, but I will be doing one more video of this when I get the next box, and then I'll do a reassessment and see if I want to even use them. So yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe. I love you so much. Make sure to reach out to loved ones, call them, text them, FaceTime them, Zoom them, and just remember that you don't need to be overproductive just because you're at home. Our country, our world, our economy is going through a really crazy time right now. So you are allowed to take a break and take a breather and not have to feel like you are being a schlob because you're not doing something, because that is not the reality of which we live in. We live in a reality where there's stressors and there's times where we need to relax. So go ahead and make sure that you're taking care of yourself in the best way that you know you can. And I hope you guys stay safe. Okay, bye.